How to fix this network may have a captive portal in Windows. Windows comes equipped with a built-in tool called the Network Troubleshooter that can automatically detect and attempt to fix common connectivity issues. Running this tool can provide insights into any problems and offer potential solutions. Open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, default DNS servers provided by ISPs sometimes face issues, which can affect connectivity. Google's DNS is a reliable alternative that may help improve your network connection. Enter 8.8.8.8 for the preferred DNS server and 8.8.4.4 for the alternate DNS server. Click OK to save the changes. Restart your device and try connecting to the network again. Returning to default settings can clear any configuration errors, such as this network may have a captive portal. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.